Got shocks, forks, shocks, yeah. Forks all mounted up. Filled with oil. I'm gonna send the shock out to get done. Motor's in. Looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna lace up the rear wheel. And then we got to mount up all the plastics, some other small parts. Backing plates painted. Do some cables, clean the coil. I gotta clean up the air box. Probably gonna paint the mag cover. All the other stuff, brake shoes, and the spokes. I'll do this rear wheel now, so yeah, we'll check back in a little while, see how we're doing. Now we got the rims all laced up. And the rear one, got the front one down here. And this is the tire I'm putting on it. It's beefy. I gotta build out the brake panels. Get them all done. I need a front tire and some tubes. I might have tubes on the front brake panel. Brakes here. Rear brakes. Front ones. Brake springs, and clean them up, and losing stuff. I'll get these done. Oh yeah, we got traction. Look at that thing. It almost fits. Oh, that's a lot of tire on there. Just turn it though.